Gold H4 time frame. Finally, we are in New Year 2025. Old question is still same, but under second term of Trump, everything changed. But Biden is still your president. Magic of politics. It is all about what Trump will do in second term and what Fed Powell will do under Trump influence. Because if you see technically, then this resistance zone, a trend line, is still your resistance, that is about 2700. Again a downside trend line, this is your dynamic support. So both upper and lower trend line tested 3 times. So this is your big dynamic support and resistance level. And if we only see last wave, last few weeks, the rising wave chart pattern, which you can call wave A, correction wave B, then again impulsive corrective wave C. So this correction started after Fed FOMC meeting when news become public. Since then it is making correction to upside and constantly market is going up. But this dump started after PPI number. This entire wave 50% retracement complete last week. So again 2671 is your big intraday resistance level. As long as price trading below this area, high chance this is a counter trend correction in first impulsive wave to downside. This time no static support, only dynamic trend line. So if lower trend line breakout, gold will technically turn into bearish side. If upper trend line breakout, then full bullish. So you have to manage your risk based on 2671 level. This is last level. If price fly above this level, then immediately bullish possibility will increase. And in case of this trend line breakout, flood of buyers can return. That means price going back above 2700. If we see daily chart, then same like this time last year when gold made triangle chart pattern, a sideways correction, same thing gold is doing again. It is making a possible triangle chart pattern. Your upper trend line already tested 2 times and lower trend line tested 3 times. So just few more days, or you can say big news this week, then breakout is ready and it is coming. For scalper, new player, wait for breakout on retest. You can start trading again. But my bias is still same. Gold sideways range below 2800 but about 2530. Because gold daily chart, if you see, it is sideways and triangle chart pattern correction, almost horizontal line since their first cut. But GDX, we all know very well, it is making clear technical downtrend, lower low with lower high. So gold chart may be saying different story, but GDX, that is highly oversold and it is making clear downtrend. And same story with Newmont stock. From Monday to Friday, you have very big news this week, or you can say biggest of biggest news. You have FOMC minute PDF this week and NAP number this week. We saw a big dump in gold on PPI number. Last week again there was economic indicator. All of those things are saying one thing: no lending, or you can say inflation is rising once again. So NAP number and UR rate are going in different direction. This is Biden magic. So watch carefully, big change in NAP number or UR rate or maybe trend, that will create big price action. And this is beginning of the year, trend is most important, because you have seen on recent 2 rate cut, gold was going down because they are doing hawkish cut. At the same time, bond market is pricing for rate pause. So strong NFP number, again same problem, rising inflation wave risk, and last week few FOMC member speech, they are again saying something similar what they said in beginning of last year. The hawkish on inflation, but they gone mad in March, totally ignoring second inflation wave risk. So before crowd say same thing, or you can say last year 2024 narrative, the magical word inflation, it can rise again when Trump takes power. FOMC member already saying inflation is rising, that's mean bumps in inflation, they already saying. So currently FOMC member are hawkish, that's why you saw red candlestick on Friday. But you as a scalper focus only on this chart pattern. Upper trend line 2 times tested, lower trend line 3 test complete, just wait for breakout. And I think after NFP number on Friday this week, not immediately but near term, upcoming time after Friday NFP, breakout is coming, price either trading above 2700 or below this trend line, that's mean below 2600. If you see as volume, then COT, they are decreasing their positions constantly. Number 2, gold consumer market, India, peak marriage buying season, but the stock market is going down. Last 2 weeks you saw market was closed because of holiday. Again because of Jimmy Carter, market will be closed this week on his funeral. So be careful, either gold closed this week or maybe no action because of holiday. Once again, FOMC and NFP, biggest news and high chance breakout coming, and question will be same to same like this triangle, where this time triangle will break out, the upside or downside. But because of politics after election, which happen every time, tight monetary policy always come after election, and we have 2 red candlestick on monthly chart and clear sideways range. 2643 was a big projection target for possible AVC wave and price showing big rejection. Next target 3036 from Goldman Sachs Bank. They are still predicting once again for this year 2025. They are bullish again for gold. And if we see weekly time frame, then clear sideways range and clear trend line, again tested last week, rejection from tail but closing above the trend line. So you have triangle pattern on daily chart and you have trend line on weekly time frame. As long as price trading above this trend line, it is bullish, or if triangle break out to upside, then full bullish again. Market will expect new range high, but trend line breakout, that means candlestick close below this trend line, then everything will turn bearish instantly. So back to daily time frame, you have 2 triangle chart pattern, the bigger one and one more small triangle chart pattern. That is again upper trend line tested 3 times, lower trend line tested 3 times. Just wait for breakout. The sideways range below 2800 but above 2530. For more technical clarity this week, before NFP, 2700 is now shifting to 2671. Below this level gold bearish, above this level gold bullish, and this can be counter trend correction 50% retracement complete. If trend line breakout, then 2530 is only support.